Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your scheduled spaces on your account on XSwitcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Now here you will find the spaces settings, click on it, and here you will find it, manage your scheduled spaces. Just click on it like this, and that's it. That's how to manage your scheduled spaces on your account on XSwitcher. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.